guys, so what we have here is one of our regular kits. So we just want to take a couple of minutes and just show you what you can expect to receive when you order one of these from us. So in your box, you will receive 600 mils of our Moto grease. Now this is a concentrated version of our Moto spray, so essentially a thicker version, really good for heavy duty protection. So you're going to want to use that on areas such as nuts, bolts, welded seams, sharp edges, any of those really vulnerable areas on the underbody. And the great thing about this is you don't need to wait for this to cure. What you'll do, once applied that, heat it up, paint it on, straight over the top with your Moto spray. Now just remember, general rule of thumb, 1.8 litres is going to be enough to treat roughly up to 5 metres of underbody. That's a vehicle roughly around about your 4x4 large pickup size. So great for that vehicle that you've got at home if you are treating one of those. Now to do that, you'll use our spray kit. Now this is really simple to use. They all attach together nice and easily, in there, straight into your container, and you're ready to go for your application. You will also receive, in your box, one of our instruction and troubleshooting guides, and your window sticker. Great way to remind yourself when you'll need your annual top up to ensure you've got that continuous level of protection on your vehicle.